Hey guys, welcome to PC Tips Pro. This is Shrija over here, and in today's video we're gonna see how to create a PDF file on your mobile phone. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. So now let's get into the video. So firstly, let's say you prepared content or written a document for your work and you want to convert that into a PDF file. So in this video we'll see how to make a PDF file from the scratch and share easily through mail or another social media platforms and all. So now let's get into the video. So here we'll discuss two methods. So first method will be creating a PDF file by scanning the documents, which is a very general method. So for this, your first step will be installing Google Drive app. So install this Google Drive app. You can just go to the Play Store, and in the Play Store you can search for Google Drive and you can install it, and then you can after installing you'll get this open button. So you can click on the open to open this Google Drive. Next, the second step will be scanning the document. To scan the document, you will find this plus mark at the bottom of the page, and when you click on this plus symbol, you'll get these options. So you can click on scan option. So once you click on the scan option, then you can just scan any of the pages like this. I have scanned some random page. So then you can click on this save. So the third step is saving this file. So in order to save this file, you can just click on the save, and after that it gets automatically saved, or else you can just share it through any mail or any social media platforms. You can even rename this file, like you can click on this part and you'll get this. You can just rename this. In order to add more pages, you can click on this option which is seen here in the bottom, and then our second method will be creating a new PDF from the scratch. So in this method we will create a new PDF from the scratch. So to do this, firstly we'll again go to the Play Store, and after going to the Play Store, search for Google Docs and search for it, install it and open it. And then after opening it, at the bottom you will be seeing a plus mark again. Then when you click on it, you will get this choose template and new document options. So go with the choose template one. So by clicking this, we can choose our template to create our PDF file. So once you click on this choose template, you will be getting many templates like this. So you can go through them. You can select the template which is relevant to you according to your choice, and after then, so this is how it looks like with the editing part. When you choose the template, you will get this. So this is the template that I have chosen. So you can edit this content in the template. Like you can just click on this your name part, and you can directly get this option to edit. So you can remove this your name and you can give your name, like I give Shrija over here like this. So after then, in order to add any links or images or any tables and all, you can just click on the plus mark over here in the top. After clicking it, you will get these options like insert link or comment or image, anything. So then I want to insert an image, so I'll click on the image, and then I'll click on the image here, and then we'll go to this. So you can choose it from where the image should be uploaded, like from photos, or you want to take it from the camera or from the web. So you can choose one. So this is how you can add your images and other extra to your templates. And then comes the part saving this. So in order to save this file, after all the editing and all, you can just click on these three dots at the top right corner, and you will find this share and export button. So click on share and export, and once you click on this, here you can click as like save as. You can click on the save as option, or even you can click on this copy link to get a link for this your document. But here our aim is to create a PDF file, so I'll click on save as. So then after clicking on save as, you will get this options like in what format we need to save this as. So you can choose this PDF document, that is .pdf. So choose this PDF document and click on OK. So it will be automatically saved in the form of PDF, and this is how it looks like after saving. So this is the PDF format, and you can even download this by clicking on this download icon here. So this is how you can create your PDF file from the scratch, and you can save it or share it with other people you through mail and other social media platforms. And the next part comes to be, if someone sends you a doc file, how can you convert into the PDF file? Let's say this is my doc file sent by someone. So this is my doc file. If I open this file, it is showing like this. So then it's very simple. Just go to the three dots that are in the top right corner, click on them. After clicking on them, click on this, share and export. So once you open this, you'll get this share and export, and then click on this. After clicking on the share and export, you will get these options, and click on save as, and again you'll get this save as formats. So click on the PDF format, click OK. Then it will be shared to your mobile phone, and also you can share them through the mails and other social media platforms. So this is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching, guys.